Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For these past 5 years I have been baking my own birthday cake, but unfortunately this year I started watching what I eat, so I asked my friends if they have any recipe for a cake that could be somehow healthy, and this is what they sent me. This cake is full of carrots and pineapple, and instead of buttercream frosting you use cream cheese frosting, so I think the calories in this one cannot be that bad. This recipe is from Reddit, and although it's called divorce carrot cake, I decided to make it for my birthday. Here's how it went.
So for the cake batter, you will need 2 grated carrots, 100 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 25 grams of walnuts and 25 grams of raisins. And you want to mix all those dry ingredients together and add in your wet ingredients, which is 75 grams of honey, 75 grams of pineapple, and 2 eggs. Mix all of those together and pour the batter into a prepared spring form and bake the cake at 180 degrees for at least 25 minutes. For the frosting, I took a cup of cream cheese and combined it with 115 grams of butter, whipped all of that together, and according to your liking, you can add sugar, vanilla, or salt. When it's all combined together, put the frosting on your cake and decorate it however you like. For example, I sprinkled the sides with some more walnuts and decorated the top with some sugar flowers. Added some candles on top and cut myself a piece of cake. Doesn't that look amazing? And look how easy that was.
Alright guys, I cut myself a slice and I absolutely love the texture. It's moist and the cream cheese frosting is super refreshing and goes well along with the pineapple. And yeah, this is the best birthday cake I ever had. So if you are also eating healthy but are craving something, I only recommend making the divorce carrot cake. Okay, that's it all for me. Let me know if you have tried this recipe or if you will try this. Happy birthday to me, and see you in the next video. Bye.